Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have basically become a Colourpop stan channel at this point. Just kidding, but we have a brand new collection, small collection from Colourpop, and this is actually going to be an Ulta exclusive collection, so that is super exciting. I love seeing Colourpop in Ulta. Every time I walk into Ulta and I see their little display, it makes me so happy to see them in stores. This is the X's and O's collection. I have a palette and 4 lip products in this collection. When I first opened the box that it came in, I was like, oh my god, like this is me. Like this is the palette, by the way. This is me. These are my tones. I love these tones so much. And then I opened it up and I was like, oh, okay, there's like a red, a couple reds in here, like 2, a lot of browns. And I was like, okay, like cool, like whatever, like not that excited for it. And boy was I pleasantly surprised when I put it on my eyes. Look that I came up with using the palette, and you guys know I live for a red eyeshadow moment. I love red eyeshadow. It is my favorite shadow to wear. There are some browns in here, don't get me wrong. You can definitely still create like a nice neutrally brown, warm brown kind of look, you know, but there are reds in this palette, and when there's a red in a palette, I'm going to use it. Shimmers up here, but I have a red, browns over here, and these ones definitely look a dark brown in the palette, but they're more of a reddish brown or a dark burgundy, so I was really happy with that. I also have 4 lip products in here. I believe 3 of these are already existing shades. I'm not too sure. One of the glosses, the name sounds familiar to me, but it's not on the website, so I'm not sure. Maybe it's new. I don't know. And I also want to mention, I took some notes while I was filming. 7 of the eyeshadows are already existing shades, so I will mention that as I talk about the palette. So let's just get into it. I'm going to give you a little bit of information first, including some swatches of the products in here. It's just an Ulta exclusive collection, so these will be in select Ulta stores. I'm assuming whatever store carries Colourpop, and then on Ulta.com on September 1st. Palette right here, the little unit carton is the same packaging. You know, this is a 12 pan eyeshadow palette. I feel like we've been seeing a lot of 9 pans, so here is a 12 pan one. This is retailing for $16. It says it's an essential eyeshadow palette with a mix of metallic and matte shadows. You can create a look and be out the door in no time. I'll insert swatches of this palette right here. But yeah, like I said, there are 7 existing shades, and some of them are already in another palette. So I'll show you guys which ones are the existing shades. I'll point with my little Oogie Boogie pen. So 20 something, which is this shade right here, is a single eyeshadow already on the Colourpop website. Rookie right here is in the Good Sport palette. Stay Golden is a single eyeshadow on their website. Issues is a single eyeshadow. I knew that one immediately because I remembered the name and the color. Sidetracked is this one right here, and this is already an existing single eyeshadow. Hooky, this one right here, is in the Good Sport palette, and Reckless is in the Good Sport palette. So 3 of the shadows are in the Good Sport palette, and the rest of them are already existing single eyeshadows. Also keep in mind, this is going to be an Ulta exclusive. Too mad that they're using existing shades, because this is going to be like in stores, you know, so I'm not too mad at that. One is a really good cohesive palette. I said that is retailing for $16. The 4 lip products, you have 2 ultra blotted lips and 2 ultra glossy lips. Those will retail for $7 each. 2 glosses that we have are PS, which is this shade right here, and Irreplaceable, which is a nice nude gloss. And the ultra blotted lips are Zuma and Doozy, existing shades already, but I love that they're going to have these in stores. The packaging for the little boxes is really cute, and it also says like put me on your lips, and it's just a really cute box. Yeah, those are the products that are going to be in this collection. Not too sure how their Ulta exclusives work. Like, are they also on their website? I'm not too sure. For some reason, if it is on the Colourpop website, I do have a code with Colourpop. I probably sound like a broken record at this point, but I just want to let you guys know, because I know a lot of people said like last time you guys ordered another collection, you guys forgot I had a code, so I'm just reminding you guys now. My code is KATRINA. It'll save you 10% off. That's pretty much it. If you guys are wondering, my ponytail is the Lily ponytail from insert name here. It's my favorite. I love the ponies because I hate doing my hair, and it hides my actual hair, and I don't have to ever do it. So this is the Lily ponytail. The code for that as well, it is just TREENZ. It'll save you 15% off your first order, I believe. I will link that down below. That is pretty much it for this collection. I will list the information, everything, launch dates, pricing, all that good stuff in the description box down below. If you guys want to see how I got this look right here using the collection and just hear my overall thoughts on the collection as well, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into the palette. I think I'm gonna start off with the shade Issues. Just this shade right here. It's like a really light matte yellowy beige color, and I kind of want to do something nice and grungy and maybe red tones and stuff. It's like the only really like transition shade in here, and I just want something to kind of like start off the process. So I already have my eyes primed, so I'm gonna start off with this shade. Honestly, it looks really light in the pan, but it has some nice color to it, and it's not too warm or anything. It's just like a nice transition shade. Go into the shade Stay Golden, which is that nice reddish tone in here, and that picked up a lot of product. It looks really nice. So I'm gonna start stamping this in my crease and just kind of blending that out. That is a really nice red. It's like the color of like the palette packaging, a little bit lighter, but that's kind of the tone. You guys know how I feel about red eyeshadow. I love it. It's my favorite. I wear it for the most part almost all the time. Just starting that off really lightly and then just blending that out. Just kind of going back and forth, like applying it, blending it out, applying it again, just like re-intensifying it till it's the intensity that I want it to be. I'm almost there. I just want it a little bit deeper. Just going slowly, a little bit at a time, just so it doesn't get too pigmented, because this color is actually really pigmented. I don't want to leave like a stamp and not be able to blend it out, you know. So now that I have that shade down, I really like it. It looks really nice. I feel like I could probably still deepen this up a little bit too, but I want to deepen it up with some other colors. Next shade I'm going to go to is Realness, and it's this shade right here. It's like a reddish brown, so I'm going to take that a little bit on a small brush, and I'm gonna put this, actually I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. So I'm gonna put this on the inner and outer corner. Just wanna kind of have a lot of depth in the inner and outer corner and make it nice and smoky, so. Ooh, I love this shade. It's like a reddish brown, but I think because it is next to the other shade, it looks a lot more like burgundy. So I'm going to take a brush and just blend that out. Really, really nice. I like that a lot. Back with Stay Golden, which is the shade we used before, just to blend those two shades together. Definitely getting me in the fall mode here. I mean, I'm in fall mode like 24/7, 365, but obviously right now we're like getting into it for reals, so I'm here for it. Take a little bit of Reckless, which is the shade right next to it. It's like a darker, like I can't tell if it's burgundy or brown. So the other one was like a reddish brown, you can see right there, and then this one is definitely more burgundy. On same brush, and just deepen up the inner and outer corner a little bit further. And I think I might just keep this on the inner and outer corner. I might not bring it into the crease, but we'll see. So I'm just placing that. Ooh. This got real dark and smoky real fast, and I love it. Love these tones so much. And then I'm gonna go back with Stay Golden, the original shade we used, and those out. For the center where I've kind of left it blank, I'm gonna take Easy Go, which is the shimmery red in here. So I'm gonna take Easy Go, and I'm just taking this on my finger, and I'm going to put that right in the center. I'm not doing like a super precise halo eye. I just kind of want it to be a little messy, you know? I love messy eyeshadow looks. And I'm just putting that right in the center. And honestly, just with my finger, not even wet, it is a really nice shimmer. Like a look like this, I really wouldn't want something super metallic. I kind of just want a lot of light towards the center, but still go with the smokiness and, you know, with the other eyeshadows. So I'm just I just put that mainly in the center, and then I'm going back with the brush that I used Reckless and Realness on. I'm not taking any additional product. I'm just blending out those edges so it blends into the inner and outer corner. I feel like when you look at this palette, like when you first open it, it honestly looks like a lot of browns and like deeper, more fall-y tone browns, you know, But, and I was like, okay, we have like one red, but honestly, I love this. I love it so much. I've not even done yet and I love it. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face really quick and then we'll come back and do the lower lash line and the lip products. But yeah, I love this so far. Went ahead and just did my base onto my lower lash line. I feel like it's only right if I use my favorite eyeliner with this look. It just needs to be done. I'm taking the Urban Decay Alkaline Eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner of all time. It's a deep burgundy. Love it so much. I'm gonna put that in my waterline. Truly, no eyeliner compares to this eyeliner. It is the best. I'm going to take Stay Golden first. Actually, I'm going to take Realness first. I'm also kind of connecting that to the outer edge over here. I'm going to take Stay Golden and just really smoke that shade out. I'm going pretty low with this just because with these kind of looks I like to go and bring my lower lash line down a lot. I'm gonna take a semi-clean brush and just blend those edges out. Go ahead and put some lashes on and my highlight and all that good stuff, and I'll come back and we'll finish off with the lip products. Back with lashes, the rest of my makeup done and everything. So I actually forgot to do my inner corner, so I'm gonna take the shade No Better in the palette to do my inner corner highlight. Ooh, this one's sparkly. I like it. And she's pigmented too. For my lips, out of the 4 lip products, I think I'm going to take Doozy, which is an ultra blotted lip. And let me just take off my lip balm real quick. This is an ultra blotted lip. I love the ultra blotted lips. So let's just apply this one. I feel like I feel like this is too like pink, or I don't know. I'm gonna take Zuma Ultra Blotted Lip. Let's see how this one looks. Okay, I think this works. Honestly, would just wear a dark red lip, but I know that's not for everyone. I still feel like this would look good with a dark red lip. Is it just me? I don't know. I'm actually gonna take a little bit. This is not in the collection, but this Eye Love Suddae's Softy Ultra Matte Lip, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this and blend that into that ultra blotted lip. I'm not flipping you guys off. I apologize. That's a little bit more my style, so I just kind of blotted that in to the ultra blotted lip. Okay, so this is the finished look. Honestly, I am obsessed. You guys know I love these tones. These are the shades that I wear all the time. Let me just give you guys my thoughts and review on this collection. So I personally love it. I was not really excited for this collection when I first opened the box because I saw like the little card and I was like, oh my god, these are my tones. And then I opened the palette and it looked a lot more brown in the palette than it does on the eyes. So I was like, okay, great. Another brown palette with like a pop of like burgundy, you know. There is some browns in here and golds and stuff, you know. It definitely picks up a lot more red and burgundy. You could also do like a more brown look with this as well. I know not a lot of people like red eyeshadow because they say it makes them look sick. I don't think so. Not in my opinion. I love red eyeshadow on like literally everyone, or even like burgundies and those tones. I think they look so good on so many people, but so many people are scared of red and I don't know why. I just feel like it's such a universal shade because I feel like on really fair people it looks really good. On like lighter skin tones it looks good, medium skin tones it looks so good, and on deeper skin tones it looks amazing. I wish more people weren't so scared of red eyeshadow or like burgundies and stuff like that, because it looks so good all the time. Like, I'm obsessed with red eyeshadow. If you're scared of those tones and like burgundies and stuff like that, don't be scared. I promise it doesn't make you look sick or like you have like a disease or something. I always hear that, oh my god, you look like you have an infection. No, it doesn't. It does not look like that. I feel like I look bomb in red eyeshadow. It's my favorite eyeshadow color to wear, so I love it. The lip products, there are some already existing shades. Again, these are Ulta exclusive, so I'm not mad at the fact that like there's existing shades already because they're going to be put in Ulta stores, and I think those two Ultra Blotted Lips are really good shades to put in stores because they are more universal shades that everyone can wear. And same for the glosses. I like that they're doing it as a collection and not just like, oh, here, we're putting this in stores now. Like, they're doing it as a cute little collection, so I'm not mad at that. I'm so happy that they do Ulta exclusives because I know a lot of people, like myself, I don't like buying things online. You're able to like touch it, feel it, like, you know, play with it before you can buy it, you know, swatch it and stuff yourself. Really love the palette. I love the shades in here. I love the packaging. I think the packaging is really cute. Perfect time going into fall. I really, really love it. If you already have some of these shades or have the Good Sport palette, because of them are in that palette, then maybe you don't need it. But honestly, I have Good Sport and I don't really ever use it. I like it. One I can definitely see myself reaching for all the time. You just have to think of it that way. There are still some browns in there where you can create a more neutral look, but it's not like too much. I don't know, I feel like this is a very versatile palette. I got into this not excited for the palette at all and was pleasantly surprised once I put it on my eyes. So I'm very happy with it, and I think the lip colors are really pretty. It might be like one of my favorite collections. It's not, I guess, a really small collection, but I think it's a really small, well put together little collection. Perfect for fall since fall is basically here. I don't care what you guys say. Fall's here. It's fall for me. My overall thoughts is pick it up. You won't be disappointed with the products. That is my overall thoughts on this collection. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.